Pre-workout supplements are a popular fixture in the fitness world. They are often seen as a quick and easy way to boost your workout performance. They promise increased energy, enhanced focus, and improved performance. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts swear by them, claiming they help them push through tough workouts and achieve their fitness goals. These supplements typically come in powder form, meant to be mixed with water or juice and consumed before exercise. They often contain a blend of ingredients designed to give you a boost. But do these products live up to the hype, or are they just a clever marketing ploy? It's important to look beyond the flashy packaging and bold claims. This video dives into the science behind pre-workout supplements. We'll examine common ingredients such as caffeine, beta-alanine, and creatine, and their effects on the body. We'll explore potential benefits and drawbacks, including the risk of side effects like jitters, headaches, and digestive issues. And we'll analyze relevant research findings to see what the science says about their effectiveness. Are these supplements really worth the investment? By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of what pre-workouts offer and whether they're right for you. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, making an informed decision is key to achieving your goals. Understanding a pre-workout supplement starts with its ingredient list. Common components include caffeine, creatine, beta-alanine, and nitric oxide boosters. Caffeine, a stimulant, increases alertness and reduces perceived exertion. Creatine, a naturally occurring compound, enhances muscle strength and power output. Beta-alanine, an amino acid, helps buffer lactic acid buildup, delaying fatigue. Nitric oxide boosters such as L-arginine dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and nutrient delivery to muscles. These ingredients work synergistically to enhance various aspects of exercise performance. Numerous studies support the efficacy of certain pre-workout ingredients. Caffeine, for example, has consistently been shown to improve endurance, strength, and power output. Creatine supplementation has been linked to increased muscle mass, strength gains, and improved recovery. Beta-alanine has been found to enhance high-intensity exercise performance and delay fatigue. While more research is needed on some ingredients, the evidence suggests that pre-workout supplements can provide measurable benefits for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. While pre-workout supplements can offer benefits, it's crucial to acknowledge potential drawbacks. Caffeine, while effective, can cause anxiety, jitters, and insomnia in some individuals. Creatine supplementation may lead to water weight gain and digestive issues in certain people. Beta-alanine can cause a harmless tingling sensation known as paresthesia. Furthermore, the long-term effects of consuming multiple ingredients in combination are not fully understood. It's essential to approach pre-workout supplementation with caution and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. A growing body of research investigates the effects of pre-workout supplements. These supplements are designed to enhance athletic performance, increase energy levels, and improve focus during workouts. They often contain a mix of ingredients like caffeine, creatine, beta-alanine, and various amino acids. A 2014 study, published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, found that a pre-workout supplement containing caffeine, creatine, and beta-alanine improved anaerobic power and reduced fatigue in resistance-trained men. This study highlighted the potential benefits of these ingredients in boosting short-term, high-intensity exercise performance. Another study, published in the same journal in 2018, reported that a pre-workout supplement containing caffeine and L-arginine enhanced muscular endurance and reduced perceived exertion during cycling. This suggests that pre-workout supplements can also be beneficial for endurance activities, not just resistance training. These findings suggest that pre-workout supplements can positively impact exercise performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often report feeling more energized and capable of pushing through tough workouts when using these supplements. The combination of ingredients like caffeine, which is known for its stimulant effects, and creatine, which supports muscle energy, seems to be particularly effective. However, it's important to note that individual responses may vary, and more research is needed to determine long-term effects and optimal dosages. Some people may experience side effects such as jitters, digestive issues, or sleep disturbances, especially if they are sensitive to caffeine. Therefore, it's crucial to start with a lower dose to assess tolerance and consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen. Additionally, the quality and composition of pre-workout supplements can vary widely between brands. It's essential to choose products from reputable companies that provide transparent ingredient lists and third-party testing to ensure safety and efficacy. As the market for these supplements continues to grow, staying informed about the latest research and recommendations can help individuals make better choices for their fitness goals. With countless pre-workout supplements on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Consider your individual needs and goals. If you're sensitive to caffeine, opt for a stimulant-free formula. For increased strength and power, prioritize products containing creatine. If endurance is your goal, look for supplements with beta-alanine and nitric oxide boosters. Carefully read labels, research ingredients, and choose reputable brands that prioritize quality and transparency. While pre-workout supplements can be helpful, there are natural ways to enhance your workout. Consuming a small, balanced meal or snack containing carbohydrates and protein 1 to 2 hours before exercise can provide sustained energy. Staying hydrated is crucial, so drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Getting enough sleep and managing stress levels can also significantly impact your energy and performance. Don't underestimate the power of a well-rounded approach to optimize your workouts. Pre-workout supplements can be a valuable tool for enhancing exercise performance, but they are not without their drawbacks. These supplements often promise increased energy, improved focus, and better endurance, making them highly appealing to fitness enthusiasts and athletes alike. Scientific evidence supports the efficacy of certain ingredients, such as caffeine, which is known to boost alertness and reduce the perception of effort during exercise. Creatine, which helps in muscle recovery and strength gains, and beta-alanine, which can delay muscle fatigue. However, potential side effects and long-term consequences require careful consideration. Some individuals may experience jitters, digestive issues, or even heart palpitations from certain ingredients. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use pre-workout supplements is personal. It's important to understand your own body's response and to be aware of any underlying health conditions that might be affected. Weigh the potential benefits against the risks, and consider whether the short-term gains are worth any possible long-term health implications. Consult with a healthcare professional to get personalized advice, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. And prioritize a holistic approach to fitness that includes proper nutrition, hydration, sleep, and stress management. Remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, adequate rest, and mental well-being are equally, if not more, important for achieving your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the description below for Supplement Scoop's favorite pre-workout supplements. Thanks for watching.